development. A very important secret of personality development. Here I am going to tell you. So, can you guess what is the secret of personality development? What is the easiest way of developing your personality without thinking so many things and so many complications? How to make it easy? How easily you can develop your personality? The answer of this question is company of good people. You know that man is known by the company he keeps, because automatically your personality changes, your habits changes due to your company. Those persons who are always staying with you, learning with you, walking with you, eating with you, their qualities are automatically imbibed in you. You see other persons reading, you also start reading. You see your family members watching television, you also start watching the television. So your company has a great effect on your personality. So therefore always try to be in a good company. Make good friends. So you will also become automatically good. So this is a very important secret of having a good personality, and it is to be in the company of good people. There should be some role model in front of you. Some person whom you follow. He may be living person or he may be dead person. But some person who is your idol, regarding whom you have a lot of respect, you would like to become like that person. So that your role model is very important, and always keep your role model in front of your eyes. Many people are having Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as their role model, and if they really definitely if they really try to follow him, then definitely there is a lot of improvement in their personality. So there is no doubt that the role model will help you to go in the direction of personality development. So you can get influenced by reading different books. You can read the books of Shivaji Maharaj, because you might be knowing that Jijabai modeled Shivaji by telling stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata. So Jijabai influenced Shivaji by making him dream regarding the Hindavi Swaraj. To establish the Hindavi Swaraj, the dream, Jijabai was responsible to make Shivaji Maharaj to dream about the Hindavi Swaraj, and for that purpose she was training Shivaji Maharaj, and for that purpose she was telling the stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. So the programming of the mind of Shivaji Maharaj was done by Jijabai through the various stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. That is very important. So that is called as the programming of mind, which is called in Marathi as sanskar. So that is really very important, which will definitely change your life. Have only useful, good and practical thoughts. Your thoughts are really very important. Once again we are coming back to the thoughts. So what you think, that is really very important. Continuously you are thinking. For 24 hours you are thinking. You are not talking for 24 hours. You are not working for 24 hours. No activity is done for 24 hours. But this activity of thinking is done continuously. So your thoughts are having a very lot of effect on your actions, on your life. What happens, my dear friends, is that before doing something, before taking some action, you think. Before speaking, you think. But before thinking, you don't think. So you should think before you think what to think. Think before you think what to think. Okay? So don't think without thinking. So your thoughts, there is a mental power Your thoughts is nothing but your mental power, the power of your mind. So that power is wasted. Lot of power, lot of mental energy is wasted in unnecessary thinking. So many unnecessary rubbish thoughts are coming in your mind. If you just try to analyze your thoughts, if you just try to check each and every thought which is coming in your mind in the last 24 hours, you will find that a lot of rubbish thoughts, 90%, more than 90% thoughts which are coming in your mind, they are rubbish. Sometimes much more than 90% thoughts are rubbish, so they are not useful. But if you increase the percentage of useful thoughts, then definitely that will improve yourself. So what you think, that is really very important. So don't think anything, don't waste your thinking power. First of all, think what you have to think, and then whenever you are thinking something, just try to control your thoughts. Just try to see that what you are thinking, whatever you are thinking, is useful or not. Try to understand. So focus on your thoughts. Always try to have good thinking. So you might be knowing that lateral thinking can give the solutions to very, very difficult problems. And this lateral thinking makes you to find opportunity in difficulty instead of finding difficulty in opportunity. So definitely, if you have the lateral thinking, you can find the opportunity in the difficulty. So what is this lateral thinking? Thinking beyond the thinking of others. लोग जहाँ सोचना खत्म करते हैं, वहाँ से हम सोचना शुरू करते हैं. So that is nothing but the lateral thinking. One small story at the end I would like to tell here, that a particular vehicle was unable to pass from the underneath of a bridge. So there was a very small difference. If a small play would have been there, the vehicle would have been passed. So few millimeters, because of very few millimeters, it was not possible for that vehicle to pass underneath that particular bridge. So what should be done? That the vehicle should be able to pass from below, from underneath of that bridge. That question was asked. So many solutions were given, but the best solution was to reduce the air pressure from the tire, so that the height of the vehicle will be slightly reduced and it can pass through that narrow space. So that is an example of lateral thinking. So thinking is very important, my dear friends. At the end, one dialogue I would like to say here. So please listen carefully. क्या सोच रहे हो? सोच रहा हूँ कि तुम क्या सोच रहे हो. मैं ये सोच रहा था कि तुम क्या सोच रहे हो. तुम्हारा ये सोचना बेकार है कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, क्योंकि तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ. तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ. थैंक यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स.